Welcome to the Soul Sister channel on this Sunday, November the 12th. My name is Kat, and I've got your astrological spiritual forecast and guidance going from today through Saturday, November the 18th. This week's video is called Expect the Unexpected. This is because we have a new moon in Scorpio on Monday. But there is a very interesting connection with Uranus in Taurus. So Monday is a little cattywampus. Let's talk about this new moon in Scorpio, because we're working with the Scorpion energy, the sun in Scorpio. This is all about psychism, intense feelings, passion, and power and sex. So we are being invited on Monday to start something new in the realm of Scorpio. This could be taking our power back. Man, we are so indiscriminate and giving everyone our power to do with it what they want, and then we are left feeling depleted, exhausted, unappreciated, and that is because we don't hold our power. Now, the Soul Sister channel is all about learning, understanding that we are responsible for creating our own reality, whether we are conscious of it or not. And by really working within, really getting down to the deepest parts of ourselves and uncovering some of those skeletons we probably would rather not uncover. This is the time to do it during this dark season, during this introspective season, to start healing those wounded, dejected parts of ourselves. And folks, nobody else can do it for us. We have to do it ourselves. We create our own reality. And what we're trying to learn to do on this channel is to learn to create it consciously. Once we learn how to consciously create our reality, we can create whatever we want. There is nothing out there that we cannot do. I do like to say within reason. Let's not get crazy. But that's what this is all about. We are in charge. We begin by taking our power back and holding it and using it for positive creation, positive manifestation, instead of just throwing it away to everyone because what? Oh, we want to fit in. We want to feel accepted, acknowledged, because we are unsure of ourselves. We don't yet understand that we are divine children of God. Each of us, each one of us, created for a specific reason. And that's why we have to get back and consciously create our reality so we can fulfill the purpose of why we are here. This new moon, very important. Take the time to get in touch with those deep recesses within ourselves so that we can begin to heal and grow and see more clearly why we're here and what we're meant to do. That is what this new moon is all about. And by the way, so we got this little Uranus thing hanging in there on new moon Monday. He's like, hey, anything can happen. So there could be an outer world event that we don't expect, especially on Monday, that helps us get in touch with this unhealed, traumatized parts of ourselves so that we can heal them, release them, and grow. So don't look at anything negative happening as something against us. Oh, they did it to me. It happened to me. No, we're going to look at it Monday like, wow, this is an opportunity to really take a look, to really see why I feel this way, why these emotions are coming up. And that's what it's about. So, deep shit this week. But that's what the season is all about. So we can get to know ourselves better. We can get in touch with who we are and our purpose. And then we can start manifesting that in the outer world because we know we create the life we want. Now, the moon leaves Scorpio on Monday and then goes into Sagittarius Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. So it's like a whole parting of the Red Seas or something like that. So here we are deep and dark and internal and really looking within. And then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, it's like, yahoo! Seriously. Because it's Sagittarius, and Sagittarius is all about optimism and expansion and overdoing it. So Tuesday, now that we've come out of our deep meditation, quiet and centering, learning more about ourselves and what we're here to do. Tuesday, we hang up with our friends. It's a great time to network and socialize. Not such a productive day, but it is a day to get with everyone and socialize and feel the love that comes with friendship and friends and family. Now, on Wednesday and Thursday, we have Jupiter and Sagittarius. So Wednesday and Thursday, we're all optimistic. We're feeling good. We have faith in ourselves and our friends in the world. And we may have a tendency to overdo things. Wednesday and Thursday, watch out. We may have a tendency to take on more than we can handle, to bite off more than we can chew. That is the negative part of this great feeling of optimism, of everything's going to be okay, and I'm so excited for the season. Watch it, and don't be taking too much. Don't be going too hard, too fast. Remember, self-care, okay? So Wednesday and Thursday, watch out of biting off more than we can chew. Friday and Saturday, let's talk about being of service to others. Great energy to do volunteer work. You know, if that's what it is, you don't have to go to Red Cross and do volunteer work. We can go to a family member who needs something done in their home. Maybe they need to go somewhere, whatever it is. Friday and Saturday are days of selfless service. The more that we do for others, in parentheses, without compromising ourselves, the better we'll feel, and the more happiness and frivolity will bring into this holiday season. Now on Saturday we have date night. We also have Sun in Scorpio conjunct Mars in Scorpio. Wow, guys, this is intense, real intense. So on Saturday, whatever we got going on with our partner or with our circle of friends, emotions, passion is gonna be high. Now, on a negative note, there may be some power struggles. Beginning of the video, we talked about how important it is to learn to hold our power and to offer it up with discernment. And on Saturday, there may be those who want what we got. They want our power. So watch out for that. Remember to honor the other, be sensitive, even if it's our partner. but we don't have to compromise ourselves just so we can go out to dinner and there won't be a big blow up. There might be a big blow up. It's Sun in Scorpio conjunct Mars in Scorpio. Could get a little dramatic, and it could be like a volcano erupting. So watch out for that. On the other hand, it's also great for a great, passionate, sexual evening. So if we can be conscientious, if we can be objective, we might get a little reward at the end of Saturday night. So, all right, so it's a great week ahead, great time to really get in touch with who we are and our purpose, a great time to do some selfless service. So there's a couple of different things going on, and we're going to start this week by becoming balanced, aligned, and connected with our higher selves by taking our 3 deep cleansing breaths, following with our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Let's take our 3 deep cleansing breaths. Let's take the first one. On this first deep cleansing breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our physical etheric bodies. Second breath. On the second breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our emotional astral bodies. One more. On this third breath, we release all disease, negativity, and toxicity from our mental bodies, both higher and lower. We see all the darkness, all the toxicity, all the negativity. We see it. We can visualize it as dark squares. If you want to see it as something that's flowing, watch it flow out of our bodies, flowing away to wherever it came from. In its place, we're being filled with this beautiful light, made up of white light, love, and goodwill. We can see it as little triangles going through our body in this beautiful white light. Not only does this energy fill our bodies, but it protects us. It's deflecting all evil, low vibration, all negativity back to its source. While we're in this space of white light connected with our higher self, we are going to say our Sun in Scorpio affirmation. Spiritual warrior am I, and from the battle I emerge triumphant. We'll say the affirmation. We'll stay in this space of white light connected with our higher selves for 5 seconds. Let's say it together. Spiritual warrior am I, and from the battle I emerge triumphant. Good, good. What, again, I had said this last week, but what a great affirmation. It is a battle. It is a battle between ourselves and our soul. You know, we keep selling ourselves out because we feel unworthy, because we want to be accepted, because all this other stuff. But we have to get back in touch with who we truly are and embrace and express that. That is the battle, to be able to do that. And when we can, we emerge triumphant. Come see me on Facebook at Soul Sister Cat for my daily inspirational messages to give us a little something to think of so we can try to remain balanced and aligned throughout the day. And if you like the message of the Soul Sister channel, please share it around so that we can start creating an incredible reality. Guys, it starts right here. You know, out there, they can do nothing. You can't do the laws. You can have wars. It has to start here. As each one of us takes responsibility for who we are and our reality, that affects the whole. And that is how the whole begins to heal. So remember, The keynote for the Soul Sister channel is just that. Life is lived from the inside out. Make it a great week. I hope we get in touch with who we truly are and our purpose. Namaste.